Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have $100 to $200 IEMs. We have the more popular ones in our channel. We have the Starfield, our channel favorite. You have the Starsea, another one of my favorites in the $200 range. You have the Legacy 4 as well, the Spring 2 with that piezo on top, and a Tin T4 as well. So actually, compared to other sound tests that I did, some IEMs here are closer to each other. So definitely yes, this is a different price range. The target market is a bit different. But of course, yes, which one is for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And let's start the sound test now.
Something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me 'cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.